Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Ernie's going to be talking about fly width, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description where you can find Ernie's education platform. Enjoy guys.
There are a couple of things. One is that on narrower flies, you're going to see this anyways. You're going to see less decay in the narrower fly. On the wider flies, you're going to see more. And let me demonstrate that by going to a study that I did. There's a caveat with choosing very narrow flies as opposed to not so narrow. And that is that they will have less premium. Their decay will be slower than the wider flies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the study that shows that. This might make a difference in your future selection.
I'm really open to whatever works. I'm just trading water right now.
I'm going to make this as a generic statement. In general, you want the widest strategy that gives you the most risk aversion for that market. And particularly when it's even tougher, I think, when you're going with the Batman, because it's much tougher. The progression of the amount of premium available at the center strikes at these various times. So you can see like on a 10 wide fly at 9:30, there's 0, 15, 0, 20, $30, 25, $60, 30, $220, 35, $240 at the same time. Now, this is a higher volatility market, but it's still the same. It's just shifted a bit.
Right.
Low volatility. But it shows you that the wider the fly, the more that you're going to start off with.
Okay. So the percentage is a lot bigger for just between a 25 and a 30. That's significant. That's huge.
I find that playing the upper end of the range, given that volatility, is a better play on average, particularly if you're doing a Batman. But if you're doing a single fly, I think there's more room, but not much more room. But there's definitely more room. If you were to look at that trade right now, and if I were to take away the call fly, there's already $50 of profit, which is typical for a low volatility environment. This would have been worth taking off. Yeah, it would have cost you, what, $21, but that would have been $16 of profit here, which is not great. And more than likely, you would have had a better than break-even trade at 3 o'clock in the morning too, because it was what, in the middle of the profit tent then?
Yeah, and the best price then was $1.50. Like now it's fluctuating and it's decaying a little bit because the price outside the 10 has gone up a little bit. I can probably get that price where it's at. Yeah, it just went up to $1.50. It's waited out or take it and then just hope it goes up and try to capture. It's been pretty flat all morning, so it's not like it's running away or anything like that. Who knows if it's just going to do this all day or going to wait the last 10 minutes and decide to shoot up 50 points.
So let's compare it 20 wide, right? If I went out to 90 and down.
Now, would the instrument matter? Like if I was just doing the SPX with the same strikes in comparatively to where the SPX is, if I had done that 10 wide and stuff, do you think the premium, it would have been different, or do you think it would have been the same, basically the same ratio? So
I think it would be about the same ratio if they were the same width.
Same.
Yeah. Okay. So if that was 65, then this one has to be $1.35 because it's twice as big. All right. So now we have the basic same ratio, same risk to reward. All right. Yeah. So this one at this time has $232 of profit in the center. That's the 20 wide versus this one, $44.
Wow. Yeah, that's quite a bit difference. Okay.
Almost 5 times as much for only 20 as wide. So
let's see. If that was $1.30, so say I put on $1.35 times 2 be $2.70, and plus the would I be in the same kind of situation if I had done the 20 wide? Go back to the other one that you just put on. Let me see the price. So be kind of in similar, I guess, as far as your costs versus with your fees and everything, as far as the ratio goes. But
it doesn't matter where I put it. The curve would be the same. If I put it way out here, the curve would still look the same.
Yeah, this stupid thing. It's in my tent now, and the price, it finally went up a little bit. But I might make some money.
But you can see how just by making it a little bit wider makes a huge difference.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button below. If there's any questions that you might have for Coach Ernie, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thanks guys.